Now in this video, we will understand how to make a chart. So we'll make an easy chart. If you see here, so this is basically reading the value from these two PLC tags. You see the value is increasing, and here as well, this is increasing. Okay, so we will see how to make this easy chart. All right, so let's go back to our main window. This is our Siemens window. And now I'm going to take an easy chart. It's actually very easy because of this easy chart feature. So just select your chart here, and I will make this a little bit bigger, and I will copy paste this value. It says easy chart. So let's see, we are monitoring the value from the PLC. So all you have to do is just select your tag and drag it here. So it will automatically select your pen, which is speed 1, and showing you on the graph. So let's see that here. So right now, if you see, we have a bar here. This is a history bar, which will show the value, the historical value of my PLC tag. So this is a future value. There is nothing here. So now if I be here and it says the value was 70. Now if I go to my PLC and if I change the value, let's say 67, and if I rearrange that again, you will see the value drops to 67. Okay, so if you don't want, then this value will keep increasing because time is increasing. And if you don't want this historical value, what you can do is just select the chart, and you go here. It says chart mode is historical. Change that to real time. So once you do to the real time, it will automatically increment and the value will be shown like this. And this whole area of the chart is divided into 5 minutes, which you can decrease to have more faster value, faster real-time analyzation of values. You can also change that to minutes, hours, days, and seconds. So for example, if I change to 5 seconds, so this is the 5-second duration of my value, which is quite fast. So 30 seconds, it's fine. So if the value of this tag changes, you will see the value in the chart also changes. 23. And you will see the value drops to 23 now. Okay, this is the easiest way. Similarly, I can also drop speed 2 here. I have to go to stop first, drop here, and now you have speed 1 and speed 2 continuously being monitored. All right, and this is also basically coming from these scrollers, these bars. So let me just take these bars for explanation. I will copy this, paste here. Oh, my trial is expired. Wait a second, I have to reset my trial. So this is what happens when your trial software is expired. So you can just go here and reset it. Then it will start for 2 hours. Okay, so I have these speed 1 and speed 2. So basically this is the speed 1, and I will maybe just put it here. Oh, that's also okay to be here. So copy, paste. Let's name it speed 1, and let's name it speed 2. So I'm changing it manually, but your speed may be coming from your drive, your feedback, whatever you have. And one more thing, if you want to see a black background, you can just change to black, or you change to white as well. And if you want to see the full screen value without these things, just click here and you will have a bigger view. And this is to print the graph. I can click print. I can send it to my OneNote, or if I have a printer, it will print the readings, the actual reading at the current state, or I can make a PDF file. So if I print, it will make a PDF file, and I will drop it on the desktop. It's named Java print. So I can show you the print. This is Java printing. That's my file. Okay, 2 values coming here. So this is also possible. Or you can also save it on the desktop as an Excel file. Now if I save it as an Excel file, let's say speed, and save. So it will save all the values it has recorded. So I will open now Excel, blank workbook, and file, open, computer, desktop. The desktop, should be a file, so I will go to all files. And let's say this is a speed without any extension, but it's okay. Open this file, Yes, and then you will see here, this is the timestamp and the value of speed 1 and speed 2 at that particular timestamp. So these are all the timestamps which are recorded during that time. Okay, so this was about how you can use charts and how you can display the value of PLC tags in the chart. All right, maybe you can find this useful because sometimes we used to monitor the temperature or the level at particular time or particular hour, particular day, and you can do that here. Another thing is you can also write these values into a database. Okay, that's, we will do something later in our industrial applications, that how to write these. Right now these are just being written inside the SCADA memory, which we cannot access. We don't know what's the, or we can see the Excel sheet where we can see the values. But if you want to store this value into your database, and suppose you want to show this value further on in some table as well here, that you can also do, that we will see later. Okay, how to store the values into a table at after particular timestamps. That is also possible. But in this video, we only see how to use a chart, how to use this chart and show the values of PLC tags in a real time. All right. And in the next video, we will see how to use bar charts for the same reason. So I'll see you in the next video.